Fortunately, there was enough room for him to land in. Deep ruts all the way around this racetrack as Hofer dives up the inside of De Wolf, who comes out on top while De Wolf maintains that 6th position. Going after his teammate as well, the number 74, Rockstar Energy Husqvarna rider, second rider in red, heading up over Monster Energy Mountain. Has to close the door to stop his young Teen Wolf teammate coming back up the inside of him. So we've got Vial leading, Red Bull KTM. We've got the 3 Monster Energy Yamahas, Renault Benetton Kits, Beaton and De Wolf, the 2 Rockstar Energy Husqvarnas, and then the second of the Red Bull KTMs there, 711 in orange, René Hofer.